morning students, myself Harita. So I am here to teach you the 5th class science. Right, we are learning the first chapter. What is the name of first chapter? Reproduction in plants. The first chapter name is reproduction in plants. So how the plants will grow? We are learning, right? So we learned about the crops also, Kharif, Rabi. Did you remember? So now we are learning how to protect the crops, Nana. The crops do not grow well if we do not take proper care. So we need to protect our crops against insects like grasshoppers, locusts and caterpillars, diseases and grazing animals like buffaloes and the goats. So these all the worries we are getting when we are put the crop. So what are those insects? So insects will come on to the crop and it will eat the crop. So we have to protect from the insects and the diseases. So all the diseases, some crops also are having the diseases. From that also we have to protect the crop. And grazing the animals. If you can see, if you are going outside also, you can see the buffaloes, goats and all will come and eat the crop, right? So we have to protect the crop from these three causes. So insecticides and the pesticides or the spray on the crop. So what they are spraying on the crops means pesticides and insecticides to protect them from the pests. Pets should not eat means we have to put the insecticides and the pesticides. The fungicides are used to kill the microbes to provide the diseases in the plants. To remove the diseases in the plants, we have to do the fungicides. So those are the insecticides and pesticides. So these two we have to spray for the sake of pets. Do not from the sake of pets. And next, to kill the diseases we have to spray the fungicides. So to protect from the crop, we have to protect from the diseases, we have to do the fungicides. And grazing animals are kept away from the proper fencing. Birds are kept away by using the square crow. That means if you see, if we wear the fencing for the crop, then the animals will not come into the crop, right? So like that we have to protect the crop. So the best way to protect the grains is to store them waterproof, insect-proof, airtight and sealed plastic containers. In the containers, if we keep that, they will not spoil. Okay, so up to here the chapter of reproduction in plants over, Nana. So once we will round up what we learn in this chapter. Okay, so many videos over now, so we just have it before also. All living things depends upon the plants to live and grow. For living also, definitely we want the plants. Plant produces a large number of seeds because all the seeds do not germinate into a new plant. The process by while a seed produces a baby plant. Which seed is producing the baby plant? So those seeds are having the germination. That is called as a germination. The process by which the seeds are scattered away from the mother plant. When it away from the mother plant, that we call as a dispersal. New plants also grow from the some parts of the parent plant. Different plants grows in the different climate and different seasons. Okay students, so I will ask you some questions. You have to tell the correct answer. Okay, so now the first question. This has a tiny hole through which the seed gets water. So the options are cotyledon, seed coat and the some blue. So which one is the answer? C coat. C coat is having a small tiny hole to get all the nutrients from the soil. And the next question, which one of these is required by a seed to grow? So which one we need to grow seed? Air, water, warmth, both A and B. So both air and water and both we should need for the grow of plant. Which of these seeds are dispersed by wind? Datura seed, dandelion seed and the coconut seed. So do you know the coconut seeds were going on the water? The disposal of water example is coconut seed. And the datura seed also disposal by the human beings. Okay. So the answer is dandelion seeds. Which of these seeds are dispersal by water? Before only I told. So the options coconut seeds and lotus seeds. Both A and B. So which one is the answer? Both A and B. Which of these is grown from the stem cutting? Which one of these grown from the stem cutting? We have to cut the stem. Rose, chin rose, both A and B. So rose or chinna rose. So both are the grow from the stem cutting. Which one is not a rabi crop? Wheat, maize, maisa, beans. So in this, which one is not a rabi crop? It is maisa. Okay. So in the next class, I will ask you some questions about these chapters. Once revise all the videos. Okay students, bye.